This is a proof of concept video. I am testing out the DJI Pocket 2, a recent purchase that I had right here to try to help improve some of the quality of my videos here. My daughters, to give you an idea, make fun of me constantly because they say, "Dad, your sound is always great, but your videos look terrible." So I'm trying to remedy that. And so I bought this DJI Pocket 2, which is supposed to help. It is a gimbal system, so I may be able to do a live stream even, and perhaps use this in the car to try to stabilize my image. Now, I'm currently using a Deity V.Lav, which is the lav that you see right here on my chest, and it is going into the transmitter that comes with this particular gimbal type system. So that's what it is. It's going in here right now. And again, this is a proof of concept to see how well this sounds. I'm plugged in headphones wise into this gimbal type 3-axis gimbal camera, and I'm basically seeing how well the audio sounds. I did another test while it was part of a live stream, and it was not probably the best because the screw type connector that was on the Deity V.Lav Pro did not go into and make a good seal in this, so I was using the camera mic. So right now I'm using the Deity V.Lav, which is about a, what is it, a $50 or $60 microphone into this, what is it, $500 camera, since I'm using the content creator package. Anyway, this is basically a proof of concept to see how well the audio sounds, because if it does sound pretty decent, I may be able to just put a lav on like this, transmit to the camera, and have the camera actually, you know, record my audio. So I will not need to use external recorders. But again, this is just a proof of concept to see how well it works. Let me know in the description what you think. And if you're interested in either the memory card, the camera, or the Deity V.Lav, I put links down in the description if you'd like to check it out. Thanks for watching.